Hello everybody, it's your last lesson on weights for the week, and it's going to require you to do a little bit of problem solving, although I don't think it should be too difficult. So if we just have a little look, the first 6 questions, you've got to match the scales to the bags with measurements here. So the the measurements on the boxes are easy because you can see the number or the fraction. Just remember that 1/4 is 250 grams and 3/4 is 750. What you have to do is look at the scales. Now, they're all a little bit different. So you've got to look, okay, from 0 to what's the next number I can see? Okay, so this one is 0 to 1 kilogram. How many small spaces are there? You've got to try and work out how much each small jump is before you try to read the arrow. So you've got to understand the scale before you try to look at the arrow. Okay, so 0, that's 1 kilogram, that's 2 kilograms. So between 0 and 1 kilogram is 1. So, okay, 100 grams, 200 grams, 300 grams, 400, 500. No, that's too small. Okay, let's try 200. So 0, 200, 400, 600, 800. Closer, but not quite. Okay, let's try this. 250, 500, 750, 1 kilogram. Oh, that works. So 250. So the first one is 250, and that goes with 1/4. So 1 goes with C. Okay. Number 2 has got 0 there and 500 there, so it's not going up in 250s this time. What's it going up in? 0, that's 500. Have a think about it. Okay, 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Yep, it's going up in 100s this time, so 1, 2, 300, 300. So 2 goes with D. So just carry on going through those. And then you've got some word problems to have a go at here. So the first one, Kim has a bag weighing 20 kilograms and another bag which is half that weight. She loses a 300-gram book. How much weight is she carrying? So let's plus together what she has first. So she's got one bag that's 20 kilograms and another bag which is half. Half of 20 is 10. So plus 20 and 10, so that's 10 kilograms minus 300 grams. Okay, so 10 kilograms. So sorry, she's got one bag that's 10, one bag that's 20, plus them together is 30. 30 kilograms minus 300 grams. Now you might want to change all of it to grams. If you might want to convert 30 kilograms to 30,000 grams before you minus the 300. Okay. Tim soaked 100 grams of rice in water. It doubled in weight, so that would make it 200. To have half a kilogram of soaked rice, how much more soaked rice must he have? Okay, so I'm not going to tell you the answers to those ones, but have a think about it. Try and work them out. We can go through one or two of those in our group calls, so don't forget to join in those in the morning if you need any help with that.